The nervous system controls every function in the body, so it's absolutely crucial for any person, any human being, to have the nervous system functioning at 100% all the time. That way they can have the best chance to be as healthy as possible and to not have chronic illnesses and diseases and ailments form later on in life.
You know, the more we understand about computers, the more we understand about the nervous system. And we know computers are limitless capacity, and it's the same thing with the nervous system. And the nervous system actually is what animates the human body, and it's also what regulates the healing process.
Brain health and healing messages leave the brain by way of the brain stem, pass through the neck, down the spinal cord, out over the entire nervous system to all parts of the body. These messages control everything that goes on in the body. These messages also direct all body healing.
If that spine's on that zero position, the nervous system's wide open and life is good. If the spine's off that zero position, sometimes even a measurement of 3/4 of a degree, it will create stress in the entire body from it. It doesn't take much to really create that distress.
So let's say one of the top two bones in your neck gets misaligned just enough to cause some irritation, to interfere with that nerve flow from your brain to any one or multiple parts of your body. Well, if where those particular nerves go do not get a full amount of nerve flow, then that part of the body is not going to work the way it's designed to work. So let's say, for example, you eat a candy bar, okay? Sugar goes into your system. All right, now in the stomach you have sensors there that will send a message to the body, or to the brain, I mean, telling the brain, hey, we got sugar in the digestive tract. We need to get the sugar out of the digestive tract into the bloodstream. So then the brain then sends a message down to the pancreas, telling the pancreas, hey, we need to produce insulin. Well, let's say there's a bone misaligned here, and it's interfering with that nerve flow to that pancreas. Well, it may be interfering 1%, 2%, 10%, 50%, anything less than 100%, your pancreas isn't going to be working the way it's supposed to, thus you get diabetes, okay? Now, let's say you were to go in here and we were to find that, and we were to correct that misalignment. Now all of a sudden you get 100% of that nerve flow from the brain down to that pancreas, and then the pancreas again starts functioning the way it was supposed to. You get the full amount of insulin in the system, the sugar is taken out of the digestive system into the bloodstream. Now all of a sudden you no longer have diabetes.
That 1 millimeter affects your nervous system, and because the nervous system controls everything, that's why that has such a powerful impact. Correcting that allows your body to finally heal.